Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today I have a very simple and interesting English story for you. The story is called Nothing is Free. This story is perfect for beginners. It will help you improve your English listening skills. Please listen carefully and try to understand every word. Let's start. Story. There was a young boy named Tom. Tom was kind and friendly, but he did not like hard work. He wanted everything to be easy. Tom liked good food, nice clothes, and a comfortable life, but he did not want to work for them. Every day, Tom woke up late. He did not study on time. He did not help his parents. He always said, "I will do it tomorrow." But tomorrow never came. One hot afternoon, Tom was walking along the road. His stomach was empty. He felt very hungry. Suddenly, he saw a big sign. The sign said, "Free food here." Tom stopped. He read the sign again. He smiled and felt very happy. He thought, "Free food! This is perfect." Tom entered the shop. Inside, there was an old man with a kind smile. The old man said, "Hello, my boy. Are you hungry?" Tom replied, "Yes, sir. I am very hungry." The old man said, "Please sit down. I will give you food." The old man brought a plate of hot and fresh food. The food smelled very good. Tom started eating happily. He enjoyed every bite. After finishing, he felt full and satisfied. He smiled and said, "Thank you very much, sir. The food was delicious." Then Tom stood up to leave. The old man said softly, "Wait, my boy." Tom stopped. The old man said, "The food is free, but first you must help me." Tom was surprised. He asked, "Help you, sir? But the sign says free food." The old man smiled and said, "Yes, the food is free, but nothing in life is free." The old man explained, "You must clean the shop for 1 hour." Tom felt a little sad. He did not want to work, but he remembered the food he had eaten. He agreed and said, "Okay, sir, I will help." Tom started cleaning the shop. He cleaned the floor, the tables, and the chairs. His hands were tired and his body was tired, but he did not stop. After 1 hour, the shop looked clean. The old man smiled and said, "Thank you, Tom. Now you understand something important." Tom asked, "Sir, what do you want me to understand?" The old man said slowly, "My boy, in life we must work to get what we want." He continued, "Food, money, knowledge, and success do not come without effort. Someone works for food, someone works for money. If you want something, you must also work for it." Tom listened carefully. He nodded. He said, "Yes, sir, now I understand." From that day, Tom changed his life. He woke up early every morning. He studied every day. He helped his parents. He worked hard and learned new things. Slowly, he became better and better. And one day, Tom became a successful man, all because he learned one simple truth: nothing is free.